Banter fam, happy Wednesday. Okay, I'm bringing you a nice, quick, short show to get you prepared for the move. Again, the bears had another opportunity. They had another opportunity to drop the lows on Bitcoin. And so far, we're bouncing, right? Now, guys, we have a big Friday incoming. A lot of news, right? A lot of things that possibly can turn this market. But again, what we're doing specifically this week, we know high time frame. I'm saying this again. Stocks are at the bottom. Survive, 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 right? Reversals incoming. Okay, and again here, look how the buy-up's starting to happen. There's a scenario where this candle turns green this week. That is a reversal. That is basically saying, look at the previous time. RSI was at the bottom. A higher low was the bottom, baby. And from that, we went parabolic. Again, you zoom out. Bitcoin is not in a bear market. It's not in a bear market, not in a bear market, right? And we also know that altcoins haven't even started their damn journey. Dominance has been going up for a long period. I actually looked the other day. It's like maybe 2 to 3 years it's been going up. You know what they say about something going up for so long like this? Do you know how fast it loses momentum when it finally loses momentum? You know, something like this will happen so damn quick that we've got to be prepared for, okay? But this week is the week for us to pay attention to. So today I'm bringing you the scenarios of how do we damn pin bar this candle and get a damn reversal. Okay, we can already see that every time this market wants to start lifting again, we could see that altcoins are starting to rise. We actually had a nice little chain link pop this morning. I saw Cardano's popping in one of the stronger tokens right now. I see AVAX in a beautiful level as well. So let's go through both scenarios where if they want to trap us again, send us up 9 trap. I want to show you here. This account was in 10 yesterday. I'm back at 20 again. Thank goodness. I'm back on the tracks again. Okay, this market will not kill me and not destroy me. And here's the WEX ones over here as well. I'm back over the 200s again. Whew, that was close. Okay, but now it's time to prepare for the next major move. So again, I'm going to update you on a couple of trades, update you on Bitcoin, and pay attention this week because this close to the reversal, and when we reverse, one fat green candle is going to take all the pain away. The only difference is we had 100,000 people and only 40,000 remain, right? And those 40,000 that remain and those that are sitting and watching the show today, we're going to be the ones that survive and make all the money back very quickly. And all of those people that got flushed out comes back. And again, this was very simple. Bitcoin is not in a bear market. The market wants it to exchange hands. That's all that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. I'm wasting time. Let's go.
I try and help everyone in my space, and this is what I get. I try and fight the devils, but inside I'm just like 𝗧𝗏𝗏. Welcome to Sheldon Show.
Banter fam, brand channel, hit the subscribe button. Guys, like it up. Who's my warriors? Are we here? Are we focused? Okay, good. So I want to explain to you again. 70% of my money is deployed. It's in wallets, it's out of exchanges, it's sitting in them, and I'm patient, right? I've made sure that I've split my risk. I've taken a little bit more risk now. And what that means is I have this portfolio now where I actually don't have a lot of Bitcoin, right? Why? Because I'm going to sell a lot into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my goal that I want at the end of the road, right? But right now, I look at the two charts and I say it's quite easy and obvious to know what is the better risk to reward right now. Right? Going through over here and on the weekly, that's Bitcoin. Right? We've got to look at the good times, we've got to look at the bad times. But we've got to think just an understanding here. What's bad times? Bad times, Bitcoin go back to 40,000, right? 40,000, maybe 20,000. Let's say things go absolutely pear-shaped, right? And let's say the best times, Bitcoin goes to $150,000, $200,000, right? If I look at risk to reward, and I click this in now, and I say the worst, and I look at the good. Not bad. Right? And I'm talking about this cycle specifically. Not bad, but it's actually a little bit of a gambler's trade, right? 50% chance you're going to lose a lot of money, 50% chance you're going to make money, right? It's not the craziest odds, okay? However, if you go and look at total 3, okay, and you go look at the worst times versus the good times, total 3 didn't even break the highs just yet. I believe total 3 will get anywhere in the 2 trillion to 2.5 trillion, and that's just taking where altcoins are to where Bitcoin was last cycle to where it is now. Right? Altcoins were at these major highs over here. Okay, the last time Bitcoin was at 65K. But now let's look at 100K Bitcoin. Okay, and say, hey, this is up to the $2 million area, right? And again, look at things like ETH, the alts, everything. And I'm going to use ETH as an example. And I click here and I say, okay, what's the worst? Okay, and let's go look at the best. Let's go look at the best. Not only the best, let's go look at all-time highs, right? I believe these tokens will break all-time highs very much. But look at the difference, right? Look at the difference when it comes to these tokens. Look at AVAX. Okay, let's go look at the worst time over here. And AVAX is a good damn protocol. Okay, let's look at the best times. Look at the risk to reward. Incredible, right? So where I'm at right now, 70% of the portfolio is I am really set my investments. And I've been going very much in a sense of 20 to 30% with Bitcoin and ETH. Then I have the souls, the AVAXs, the injectives sitting around the 30-40%. And then I have a bunch of DGM plays. But I've opened up my risk now to the alts because they are the ones that are extremely oversold. As markets start to rise again, as it will, RSIs again to the bottom. At any point now, markets are going to go up for the next 2 to 3 months again. Okay, altcoins are going to well outperform Bitcoin. And in that point, my goal is to sell them into Bitcoin. So by doing this strategy, I'm looking to 3 to 5x my Bitcoin amount. Okay, so what I'm fighting for is the Bitcoin. Okay, but I'm using altcoins to get there. Instead of just putting money. No, I play the game and I do that. So again, make sure 70% of the bags are set. The next thing is the 20% of part of your bags, bigger swings, spot trades right now. Something that I'm going to hold now for the next 2-3 weeks, take profits, hold, take profits. Just keep accumulating cash because I need more cash for the next time we go bear. Okay, and I need to deploy the cash a little bit slower. The biggest thing here is this markets are damn special. And I don't think we're upset because we lost money. We're upset because we can't buy more. Okay, because we don't have enough. So what I've done is 30% of my money, 20% is in the spots and very low leverage, 10% is sitting in higher leverage, and all that I'm doing is accumulating dollars. So when the markets want to drop off again, I can actually deploy and make sure that I have more capital. So that is where my head's at right now. And again, all we need on the weekly time frame chart now from Bitcoin is we need a damn pin bar candle. We know the RSIs are set. Okay, we know the last 2 times when the RSI was set was in this area over here, this area over here. And it's quite funny because both times we went sideways and chopped. And here we're going sideways yet again. And it's quite crazy how we flushed out this time here and we're flushing out again at the same point, same time, right? Over here, the reversal's incoming. Okay, so again, you're kind of running the best opportunities you get in crypto is high time frame entries. After that, you become traders. And again, this market's going to get out of choppiness. And what I want to see now is a green candle, which means Bitcoin must close 96 to 97,000 this week. If that happens, we've got a very good chance we're back close to all-time highs in the next 2 weeks. And I think March is going to be the month. I think March is definitely going to be the month that we are going to recover and move. And again, your big opportunities are altcoins. Because altcoins alone, back to where they were, okay, is already a good 30 to 40% on total 3, which means some of your altcoins will do 50, 60%, some will do 100%, but overall 30, 40% back to the tops. And it's all gone, guys. All the damage, all the stuff's gone. The only difference is 60% of people got flushed out. Okay, and that was the big exchange that happened. So now we know that. Again, the one chart that's keeping you very bullish here is this one over here. The USDT telling you, do not fall for this damn trap. This is a manipulation zone. It is manipulating the market. Makes you want to quit. This thing is a lower high. Is very bullish for us. That means people are going to fly out of the dollar into tokens very soon. Okay, markets are still bullish on the high time frame. Short time frame, we've got an interesting next 24 to 48 hours. We've got 2 scenarios. Bitcoin is bouncing. Not only is it bouncing, it might recover. Okay, but let's speak about 2 scenarios. It's anticipation happening. Okay, when it comes to tomorrow, and I want to see over here. Let's see, Crypto River, more Bitcoin shorts are placed. The shorters are shorting very quickly. Okay, the tariffs, yes. Okay, Michael Saylor has been invited to Digital Assets Summit at the White House this Friday. This is happening. We got this Digital Asset Summit that is happening. This is very interesting to see what happens. And I think market actually reacted well when Michael Saylor was invited, right? I think that's what created Bitcoin to start moving. So we've got a lot when it comes to that happening. And guys, let's not forget the fundamentals have been incredible. If we had this news in 2021, the market would have went insane. Like, now it's quite crazy. We have the best news in the world. Markets are getting away. It's very clear. There's a lot of loading up happening. There's a lot of manipulation happening. But this market is getting ready to rocket, right? So again, I think the next 24 hours is going to be quite interesting, quite bullish, quite volatile. So here's the 2 scenarios. There's a big zone incoming for Bitcoin now shortly, okay? And basically what's that meaning over here is that this zone over here, let's just pop in this little money tool that I have over here. There we go, okay? It's just $90,000 on Bitcoin. If we don't get there, and we don't break through 90, there is a scenario where we come and make a higher low and markets start to pop. I do believe that the bottom is going to be in from these 2 bounces. I think that 79 was the bottom. And I think this next one that came down closed the CME gap. So there's no more CME gap anymore, which is good because if we went up and there was still a CME gap sitting here, it was going to come down at some point again. CME gap is filled. Okay. So either way, this is the first scenario. We don't get through 90, a little bit of chop, and then we get going. But there is a full reversal scenario where from here, we rampage through to 100K. This is the big zone to pay attention to today. Okay. Look at your Bitcoin dominance. Every time market wants to get bullish, dominance starts dropping. Therefore, your altcoins start popping. This is what I'm seeing on alts. 2 scenarios. The first one is we go up a little bit more, and there is one more shakeout. Why? Because anticipation to tomorrow. Everyone's anticipating, probably think it's, again, bullish news. We're not going to pump, blah, 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 right? So people will start probably selling off. And then all of it, well, not tomorrow into Friday, right? Probably start selling off. And then Friday, poof, rocket ships. But then we got the other side. The other side is people start getting damn excited. And we start rocketing up. Then the trap comes and then we get going. Guys, I think we're running out of time. When it comes here to trades, I think there's a trade on Solana right now. Put your stops over here at the 140 zone. Nice little long. And take profits at 160. There's some money to be made. Right? And just play off this scenario. That's the first scenario. There is a nice little trade. The trade that I'm in is Cardano. Cardano is coming to that important zone. If Cardano breaks through, I got a rocket ship over here. See my account sitting near 21K. Very good. Okay, back up again. What just happened? Oh, jeez, I just had a heart attack. You see that? Bro, I just had the internet's being a bit funky, but jeez, like I was like, what just happened? And I thought I just got wiped out of nowhere. But there's the Cardano trade. A couple of trades that look really good as well today, guys, is AVAX. Pop your stops right here below, trade it up to the $23, $25 range. Nice 10, 20% moves, take some profits. So I think the trading portfolio is good today. Look at the bounce on Chainlink. I wouldn't trade this now, but it looks good. Look at Injective. Buy here, stop loss here, and you take profits here. Okay, nice little pops from the market incoming. Market is looking good. So again, guys, I will be here tomorrow. Remember, if you want to open up any trades, the trade accounts that I'm trading, or the main one that I'm focusing on a lot now is a small account to build up, BTCC. They got 2 major promos. If you go click here below in my links over here in the description, you will find my links. Here is BTCC, right? If you click on this, and the account, and if you want to follow this account, I'm enjoying the account very much. Very user-friendly, very good. I like it. Volume's good as well. It's actually better, like, you know, when you market execute in and out, it's better than Bybit. I love Bybit a bit. You know, I use Bybit, but again, I don't like losing money when I get stopped out. Like when it tells you you're going to lose $100, I don't want. Why am I losing 130? Right? This one's been very good, which is really nice. But again, if you want to open this account up over here, 2 big specials. If you're trading more than $500, all the way up to $100,000. Okay, you get a 10% bonus. So you put 100K in, you get 10% in trading bonuses. Make sure you go and claim the bonus in the reward section, right? If you only have $200 in this areas over here, you get a 50% bonus. So if you put $50 in, you get $25. Okay, you put $100, you get $50. You put $200, you get $100 in bonus over there as well. Here is all the details over here below with BTC. Guys, lots of love. I'll be here tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Let's get our asses together. And again, when this market gets ready to go, put your damn hats on. And we're going to trade this market back to the top. I'm telling you, when this market gets bullish again, both these accounts are going to be way in profit before we even back at the top. It's not about when you get knocked down. It's about how quickly do we get back up and how quickly do we start making damn money again. And we are smarter and we are better. Lots of love to you all. See you all tomorrow. Goodbye.